Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday Elaine at Elaine Bellamy. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s. And today our theme was purple cats. I am all down for some purple cats. We're going to be using the Lights Lacquer, and this is from the Friends collection. This one's called The One Wear. And I've got my Painted Desert medium square nails today. They are already applied to my fingertips, and I'm painting directly on them. I didn't put down a base coat, I don't think. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I did the sticky base. Oh, that's got a lovely formula. Look at that. Beautiful light purple polish. Loving it. Alright, 2 coats down. We're going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry, and I just dropped a big old blob all over my finger. Oh, getting crazy with it. So we've got some mess cleaning. Here we go. Woody, thank you. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Golly. And the cleanup brush, y'all. I'm telling y'all, y'all saw it. I dumped a blob out on my finger. It was awful. There is a swatch photo of The One Wear. I'll be using Beauty Big Bang 026 today. Cute, cute little cat plate. Love this one. And then I'll be using the Old Bundle Monster number 10, which is now Maniology Violet Waves. I got my H. La Cosadora scraper out and a Maniology cube stamper. So let's get started. So I'm just going to use a bunch of different images. I'm going all purple with it. Light purple for the base, dark purple for the stamping. I'm down with it. So I will have a link to hopefully the hashtag for this happy birthday for Miss Elaine, and also a list of the participants listed down below if you'd like to go over on the Instagram and check it out. Oh, that's so good. I love that. I'm cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller, and then we're just going to pop on through. And I'm getting to the bottom of this bottle, so we're going to be breaking into my new bottle from Maniology, the Violet Waves that I bought. And I'm telling y'all, I'm really upside down in that bottle trying to get every bit of it out. And it's funny because this polish looks so jelly, but it stamps so wonderful. I mean, it's really an excellent purple for stamping. Okay, I didn't do good on that. So here we go. Violet Waves. Yay! Love breaking out some new stuff. And love finishing up old stuff too, you know. So here we go. I'm going to give that one another shot. And so my thumb was done with the original. And then this is the new one. And they are exactly the same. Getting on to the next image. Ta-da! Yay! Give it a light scrape. And then grab that stamper and pick up the image. And I love this one. This is so cute. And these longer tips, I'm really getting to show a lot of that image. It looks so good. And then some little cat heads, some fat cat heads. So much love in this. Miss Elaine, if you get to see my video, I do hope you have a wonderful birthday. And I want to thank Tinkerbell 1970s for hosting this collab and pulling us all together to help a friend celebrate her birthday. Got a little bit of polish still left on my scraper, so I'm kind of recycling it. Got one more image. There we go. Bunch of kitty cats. We got the purple cat thing down. I'm so glad. So very happy. All right. So I've got to clean up my mess. I'm going to clean up my scraper card. I'm just cleaning it with acetone. And then we've got a plate and a mat to clean up. Ooh-wee. Got a mess going on there. But that's okay. That's what we got the cotton claw and the cotton ball and the acetone for. My cotton ball's a little sideways. I had to fix it. Going over that plate some more. And wiped it real quick. We're going to be using the smudge-free top coat from Maniology to go over the stamping with. Seal it in without smearing it. And once that's dry, I'll be using the Sèche Vite to top these off. Sèche Vite used to be my ride or die. It was before I found Posh. And what happened was I went to Sally's and they were out of Sèche Vite. So I tried Posh and I've been hooked ever since. But I still own a lot of Sèche Vite, so we're going to use it. And there we go. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Here is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.